So this is a really cool option in the PowerShell integrated scripting environment. I think this is PowerShell 3 only, but I can't confirm that right now. Especially if you're new to PowerShell and you're not familiar with a lot of the statements that you have access to in order to help you automate your scripts. So what you can do is right click somewhere in a blank area and you have this little option here called Start Snippets, and it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. There's little snippets of code where you can have it placed into the ISE for you. So you get a little preview of these different bits of code here. So we have something like a advanced function or a script commandlet where you have the formatting all laid out for you. So you have the help info created for you. You have the function laid out. You have a couple of parameters and the parameter attributes. The commandlet binding is placed in there. You've got your begin, process, end. So it's an easy way to create a properly formatted function. Now, I don't know how awesome all of these are. Like something like this is a crazy monstrosity. This isn't really going to help me speed up writing my code. There's just so much here to delete that would not be helpful, but what it does add value to is somebody who's still learning PowerShell and you're not really sure all the options that you have in creating your commandlets or your script commandlets. So you can use this as a reference. You have all these options in the commandlet binding. You have all these parameter attributes here. You have your parameter validations laid out, and you even have some other options down here inside the begin, process, and end. So you can use it as a reference. Now, what I think is really awesome in here is all the other statements. So you have stuff like your do until, do while. I love the for loop, but I hate typing it out every time. So I use this one fairly often just to lay out the for, and then I can edit my options up here and stick my code inside. So that's really what I wanted to just show you. If you haven't ever taken a look, sometimes people aren't really exploring their environment, and you can miss really simple things like this that can help out. You can go ahead and add all kinds of stuff in there. So that's it. It's just the start snippet option. You can use it as a reference if you don't remember how to structure some of these statements, or you can use it to speed up writing it a little bit. Either way, I think it's a really cool feature in PowerShell, and that's it. Thanks for watching.